How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove suggested on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove suggested on Messenger, let's say that you open the Messenger app and then whenever you try to search for someone, you'll most likely see the suggested tab at the bottom of the screen. What do you do in order to remove suggestions? Well, to remove suggested people, tap the three dots option here or the three lines icon, then go to the gear icon here. Go to this option known as manage accounts. Then over here, once you come to this page, just scroll down, go to this option known as phone contacts, right? So you might want to go to phone contacts. If you don't find it, go to privacy and safety, and then over here you'll be able to see all these options. Here you can see hidden contacts and it says hide people from your suggested contacts. So all you have to do is over here just tap on hide people from suggested contacts. Tap on this option here. You cannot entirely remove the whole suggested tab, but you can choose to select the people that you want to hide from your suggested tab right over here. Tap on the hide contact option and you can just tap the plus icon, select the contact, and then just tap the hide option to hide them from your contacts or the suggested feed. This way you can hide people from suggested contacts or remove suggested. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.